Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the best Clarks Amanda Sprint Flat Sandal for women, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality designed to keep you moving all summer long. The Clarks Amanda Sprint Flat Sandal is an ideal choice whether you're planning a vacation or just enjoying a staycation. This sandal is built to handle various terrains, from sandy beaches to busy city streets, without compromising on style. Its black suede and textile upper gives it a sophisticated yet versatile look that complements almost any casual summer outfit. One of the standout features of this sandal is the breathable cushion feel footbed. It is thoughtfully designed with perforations that allow air circulation to keep your feet cool and comfortable. Added arch support ensures that your feet get the support they need, reducing fatigue during long walks. Plus, enhanced cushioning at the ball and heel areas provides extra comfort, making these sandals a great option for extended wear. The sandal's design includes 3 adjustable straps with Velcro closures. This feature lets you customize the fit to your foot, offering a secure and snug feel while also making it easy to slip on and off. The lightweight EVA midsole not only adds to the comfort but also absorbs shock effectively, so every step feels cushioned and gentle. Durability is another strong point of the Clarks Amanda Sprint. With a thermoplastic rubber sole, these sandals offer excellent grip and long-lasting wear. The slip-on closure type ensures convenience without sacrificing the supportive fit. In terms of specifications, the sandal is imported and weighs just over a pound, making it lightweight for everyday use. Available in various sizes, it comes with a handy size chart to help you find your perfect fit. Whether you're headed to a beachside stroll or exploring urban landscapes, the Clarks Amanda Sprint Flat Sandal is a stylish and reliable companion. It combines a modern look with thoughtful comfort technology, ensuring you never have to choose between fashion and function. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you're looking for a supportive, stylish, and comfortable sandal this summer, the Clarks Amanda Sprint is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product insights.